Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Dan Style Older from Abu Dhabi, UAE. So guys, I'm here about to unbox my Sony lens G Master F1.2 50mm. So let's do the unboxing now. I don't got even the what you say like I need to use my ball pen now. So guys, this is my Sony G Master F1.2 50mm lens. So let's see. Wow, this looks good, man. Here's the beast. Comes with this covering. I think that's for Sony. And this is the lens, guys. See, this is and it's heavier. You know, it's heavier. G Master. So guys, I hope you like the video, and I'll share this next video.